also feel like on the point that she said, there's a difference between like long form content and short form. In like long form, you're actually like building a community.
Correct.
Like people are so much more involved in what you have to say. And with short form, like I feel like the platform is such that it's so fleeting. Like you remember something today and you don't remember something tomorrow. But yeah, for me, I think there are like certain category blocks. Ours is like little restricted because it's
Of
so
course.
food focused. But yeah, I think it's just, figuring out a concept that kind of works with your audience. And I think baseline for me is that I have to add some sort of value to that content piece.
Because अब तो लोगों को समझ आ गया, because I see now paid promotions, even if the label is not mentioned, people start to say आज admin पनीर खाएगा, आज admin बिरयानी खाएगा. So people also know कि ये paid promotion है, and I think they are started accepting it. We have also seen that people are okay now with, these kind of promotions. They understand, they don't take it too seriously. Also, of course, there are exceptions, but mostly people are accepting.
No, I mean, I didn't want to sound like the
No,
guy
of
who's
course,
against
no.
paid collab. I mean,
No, we understand.
I make money. I make decent money.
No, definitely.
अच्छा वो क्लियर कर दिया हम लोग कंफ्यूज
यार,
हो
Noida
गए
ऐसा नहीं है।
नहीं है अभी आपका that's something you're missing out, right?
मतलब वो एक डील थी जो रिसेंटली उसको मैंने ना बोला तो मुझे याद थी यार. मतलब अभी मैंने एक पेड प्रमोशन वाली वीडियो डाली and no one in the comment section and no one in the audience could figure out that I have taken money for the video. तो वैसी भी खूबसूरत वीडियोस बन जाती हैं, तो चल जाता है.
So that brings me end to my questions. Thank you so much for answering it so patiently. Now we'll open it up to the audience.
Hi, Samdesh. Yeah, hi. So I have been following your content since a while when you used to go to random parks in Delhi and take very unhinged opinions.
How old are you, dude?
I'm 23, but I've been
how old were
watching
you then?
17, 18, I guess, yeah. So I remember you have a kind of tendency where you really mold into the personality of the other person, not to alienate them, and then get their point of views out, which is a very good quality of yours. Now, again,
Thanks.
your channel's name is Unfiltered. So, of course, a lot of that is on your channel and stuff. But I want to ask, there definitely would be moments which they would have been like, cut kar dena isko baad mein. So, any of that you gonna maybe talk
मतलब
about?
यार, अगर तू पूछ रहा है कि अल्टीरियर मोटिव से कुछ काटा गया कि नहीं, ऐसा तो कभी नहीं. मतलब मैं, हो सकता है इक्का दुक्का चीज, अब 10 साल से वीडियो बना रहे हैं, हो सकता है इक्का दुक्का चीज ऐसी हो, पर as long as the content is engaging, entertaining, as long as you are getting your time's worth, आप जो 1 घंटा लगा के मेरा इंटरव्यू देख रहे हैं या 7 मिनट लगा के मेरा वॉक्स पॉप देख रहे हैं, वो आपको कुछ एंटरटेन एजिंग मिलना चाहिए. इट शुड बी वर्दी इनफ कंटेंट ऑफ योर टाइम. और जो उसमें फिट नहीं होता है उसको काट देते. आई मीन, अ लॉट ऑफ माय वीडियोस, it's not just the anchoring that works, it's not just me being able to empathize with my guest that works, it's also the smart editing. And I get this confusion a lot of times from people because my channel is called Unfiltered. लोगों को लगता है कि एडिटिंग नहीं हो रही है. ऐसा नहीं है. मैं सुधीर मिश्रा के साथ मैंने 5.5 घंटा बात की और उसका 1 घंटा 20 मिनट बेहतरीन एक कट निकला. और उस बाकी के 3 घंटे अगर कोई और एडिटर होता, अगर कोई और एंकर होता, तो शायद उस 3 घंटे का भी कुछ बनता. I just have a higher standard of quality when it comes to content, and so I want each second, each moment to be engaging in my videos. उसके बावजूद कुछ boring videos बन जाती हैं जो कि मैं भी नहीं देखता हूँ. बस यही है.
Hi, everybody. My question is for you, Ria. We often talk about self-love and a lot of discomfort that a lot of Gen Zs and millennials often suffer from, a lot of emotional turmoil. It takes a lot of courage to also be equally, put consistent efforts to encourage self-love. What and how did you figure out, what is it that moment or memory or anything that pushed you towards to come out of a certain challenging situation in your life? And how would you encourage anybody who would come to you and talk about how to become emotionally strong or navigate that situation where you would want to push yourself to become stronger, even if it is to pretend to be one?
I think strength lies inside every human being. We have that power. You only get to test that power when you're put in a situation where that degree of strength is possibly required. We are taught constantly to seek validation from outside. Social media, women from men, men from women. How am I looking? How am I feeling? Someone said something nice about me. Someone said something bad about me. Oh my God, am I bad? What's missing here is we don't have any room for inner validation. So it's very important to have that conversation with yourself. Do you like yourself? Do you think you look nice? Do you think you're a good person? Do you think you are a nice friend, a good daughter, a good son? If not, then the problem lies there. तो हम लोग गलत पॉइंट से शुरू करते हैं. हमारा पॉइंट यहाँ से होना चाहिए. अगर आपका पॉइंट यहाँ से है तो आप जितनी अच्छी दोस्त आपके फ्रेंड्स के लिए बन सकती हैं, अपने लिए क्यों नहीं बन सकती हैं? दैट वाज माय थॉट. द वन इंसिडेंट दैट changed this and propelled me in this direction. In 2020, there was a difficult time in my life, and at one point, I was also scared. I looked at myself in the mirror, and I was so nervous, and I didn't know what my future held for me. I looked at myself in the mirror, and I almost like I spoke to myself without speaking to myself. I said to the mirror, "Teri phat rahi hai na?" And it's almost like the mirror said, "Haan." I was like, "तू टेंशन मत ले, मैं हूँ तेरे साथ. मैं तेरे साथ हूँ, अब तेरे को और किसी की जरूरत नहीं है." And that is the one thing that we forget to tell ourselves, that I love you also and I'm with you also, and that's enough. If you can be enough for anybody else, why can't you be enough for yourself? So I think that journey starts from seeking inner validation before you seek external validation.
Next question.
My question is for you. Hi, Parul. So I've seen you from the time of Girls Hostel, and I love that whole series. So my question to you is that when you chose to transfer your journey from an actor to a founder, how was that journey for you, and what challenges you have been facing, and was the industry accepting, or was the industry looking out, or what was that? And just take us through your journey a little bit.
सो गर्ल्स हॉस्टल में आप लोगों ने मुझे देखा, वो 2018 या 19 में आया था पहला सीज़न. मैंने 2017 में शुरू किया था बिजनेस. 2009 से मैं एक्टिंग कर रही हूँ, मुझे कोई नहीं जानता था. सो जब मैंने बिज़नेस शुरू किया, ना बिज़नेस को कोई जानता था ना मुझको कोई जानता था, लेकिन मैं लगी हुई थी दोनों में, क्योंकि मुझे दोनों करने थे. और उस टाइम पे आई वॉज डूइंग ऑडिशंस ऑल्सो, एंड आई वुड कम बैक होम, और घर पे बाल भी सिलती थी. सो दोनों को बस मैं करती रहती थी कि एक दिन कुछ तो चल जाएगा. एंड दैट नेवर मेंट कि मुझे इन दोनों में से कोई एक चूज़ करना पड़ेगा. तो शुरू में डेफिनेटली देयर वाज दिस थिंग कि क्यों करना है, तुम हीरोइन बनने आई हो, बाल बेच रही हो. सारे मेरे पियर्स मेरे को यही बोलते थे. मेरे पड़ोसी भी सोचते थे रोज़ बाहर बाल आ जाते हैं इतने, क्यों बना रही है ये लड़की, क्यों कर रही है. सो फ्रॉम दैट आई वाज जस्ट लाइक, मुझे I believed in it so much that I kept on doing it. Now you know both. So challenges were only कि किसी को faith नहीं था, पर सबको था अरे वाह क्या कर लिया. So I think it's just that transition. You believe in it, what you're doing, and one day everyone will, and they'll call you to panels like this in front of such smart kids. So that's very cool.
Thank you for that question, and thank you, Parul, for the answer.
How much do you think you being the face of the brand and being this relatable, just easy content, just you being raw and unfiltered out there has helped your brand really grow?
My approach was, how would I like a product like this being sold to me? Because I assumed hair extensions मेरी जैसी लड़कियां लेंगी पहले, because मैंने उसे fashion segment की तरह बनाया था, right? Then it came कि अरे किसी को ज़रूरत है, तो how do I add empathy to my content? And I think I learned so much being a founder कि it was again a journey from what I wanted something to be sold to me to what you guys want. But there was never a concept of hard selling anything. It was just like, and also I picked the category, मतलब जो कोई नहीं बना रहा था. So it required a lot of education, a lot of patience. Only thing was कि रोज़ करते रहो, किसी को कभी पसंद आ जाए, समझ आ जाए. एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड कि आप तक पहुंच पाया वो सब, बिकॉज वही गोल था मेरा कि एक कनेक्शन होना चाहिए कंटेंट में, तभी कंटेंट अच्छा लगता है. मे बी यू फेल्ट दैट, एंड हम इतने लोग हैं इंडिया में, तो अगर उसके 10% को भी वो फील हो जाए एक दिन, तो फॉर एनी क्रिएटर दैट्स जस्ट लाइक अ विन. सो या, और एन एंटरप्रेन्योर.
I am Samdisha, and so आपसे ही क्वेश्चन है मेरा. मतलब आपकी पर्सनैलिटी इज सो स्पॉन्टेनियस, सो अनफिल्टर्ड, इतनी मस्तीखोर. मतलब I enjoy seeing you on the internet. In fact, I enjoy seeing everybody of you on the internet. You're always on my feed, all of you. Has there been opinions against your personality?
sometimes?
Opinions against my personality all the time. In my head, yes, all the time. नहीं यार, आपको इवॉल्व करते रहना होता है. मैं जितना 25 साल का जब था, जिस टाइप का एंकर तब था, अब मैं जब 32 साल का हूँ तो मैं थोड़ा अलग हूँ. और आपका कांस्टेंट एवोल्यूशन ऑडियंस तक पहुँचता रहता है, आपके दिमाग में चलता रहता है, और वो आपकी पर्सनैलिटी के एवोल्यूशन से भी फीड करता है.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.